Poonam Pandey coming back from the dead. Let's discuss.
Poonam
Right?
Pandey. Poonam Pandey on Untriggered.
Okay. I'll establish context.
Yeah, you do that.
Please do.
I think all of India knows.
Yeah. I mean,
Is there
yesterday.
anything else anyone's talking
Chal,
about?
I'll give our POV of it then.
Yeah.
Yesterday we woke up and my phone is all like blowing up. Okay. Everyone's texting like, oh,
Yeah, people are like, how are you doing?
photo. What happened? Is this real? I'm
Yeah,
like,
is this real was a common
kya-
question.
like, kya
People
chal
are
raha
all
hai?
messaging saying, bro, Poonam Pandey is no more. I hope you guys are doing okay.
Why do they-
Saw her on the episode and felt really connected with her. So sad to see
Connected
her
to
go
her
and all.
from us, I don't know how.
I mean,
I mean, I think people just assume that we talk.
we are tight.
your
Yeah.
friends.
like
you know.
we're friends or whatever. But like, okay, whatever. And then I'm like, oh, this can't be real.
Yeah.
Then I saw it on her Instagram. I was like, yo, what? This
Yeah.
is
I
like-
didn't like the font though. I was like, that font wasn't a very serious font that they used.
font से problem था
हाँ, मेरे
ये
को
सब
font से
चीज़ें।
problem था and I was like, it's a little unserious, you know. It's
Acha,
if someone dies, you use that bold font.
acha.
A bold
We'll keep it in mind.
Yeah, remember for me.
When I'm dying now, you use a good one.
We'll discuss fonts for each of
Sahi
us.
font kar.
नहीं सही बात है.
Yeah, I think the font was the biggest problem in this whole.
Yeah, I think the font was the biggest problem.
Anyway, then they're like, okay, then we all come out of our room slowly. We're like, bhai, what happened? What is
Yeah.
this? And the whole vibe of no one is buying it, bro. Like,
Yeah.
we're all just like, what could this mean? What? Aisa,
Yeah, we're
at no
thinking
point.
of conspiracy theories.
See,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
went to conspiracy theory mode immediately, but then like major
Say we were
news
just like
publications and
we
everything.
were just like this form of cancer. You don't die overnight.
Exactly.
Is what
Or
we thought.
any form of cancer, you just don't
Yeah.
die. Like you get kind of sick.
Also, if you have stage 3 cancer, you can't look as busty as she did when she came here for the episode.
Why? What does that mean?
What does
You're
that
not
mean?
going to look like that, bro. Your skin and
Huh,
everything.
that I get, but what does it have to do with the bust?
Whatever. I just meant like
you just meant to say
good.
she wouldn't have looked that fine.
She would, yeah. You can't look like you're normal.
Sure, I mean let's
Whatever.
okay.
Either
Let's
way.
not
Moving
Let's
on.
give him that.
So then we're like, okay, what could this mean? Has she been paid? Has she gone missing? ऐसा कुछ हो गया
Yeah.
उसको this, and they're giving this reason, whatever the fuck.
Yeah.
And then we went on about our day, and then I kept thinking about this, and like then I didn't see. Usually when it's a hoax, you find out after a couple of hours. And I
Yeah.
was like,
Right.
कोई बोल रहा नहीं है भाई fake है तो.
and like
then-
literally every news channel is posting saying
Yeah.
Poonam Pandey, age 32, dies of.
Yeah. So
this
then I started
reason.
getting sad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Slow and steady.
I was like, यार क्या गलत हो गया यार. Like it's not nice. Whatever. Whatever reason, whatever has happened to her, it's not good. So like this is sad.
Yeah.
Then I put my thoughts out on Instagram, as you do, right? I was getting so many messages. I felt like I should say something. I said what was in my heart. I don't regret it.
What did you say? And what
I
did you
just
end
said
up
ki she was super nice when we met her, and like it's sad. Like I hope.
So on pigeon, something you put one pigeon.
I think
emoji.
That's what you put, bro, for like.
Okay.
The flying soul is like.
It's like they're free
The
now.
soul is flying away like that.
saying?
So I was like, oh, she was nice, and like I'm glad we got to work with her, and people got to see that side of her. Then we partied all night.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
gonna lie, like
We did.
are-
We
We wanted to celebrate life.
we had our 2 minutes of silence.
Yeah, sure.
We all
We did.
felt bad. We were like, bhai,
No,
सच्ची
like
में हो गया
we were
तो-
chilling, bro. Matlab, abhi if
Yeah.
something sad happens, we hang out and like we
Yeah.
spend time with each other, try to have a good time. And obviously, then today I woke up to the news of her being alive.
I woke up to her post saying,
Yeah. Hi.
She's put up a post basically
Yeah.
saying
She says, मैं अभी भी जिंदा हूँ.
this turned into a soap
I
opera.
never died. But think about the other people who died of this disease. अरे बेंचो, this is what sort of a campaign is this, bro?
Yeah, who has approved
This
this
is the most
campaign?
stupid campaign I've
she
ever
said
thought of
something
in
like,
my
I know
life.
this is extreme, but people who have this disease have been through even worse.
What's worse than that,
What's
bro?
worse than dying? Coming back to life and making a mockery of everyone with the disease.
Yeah, that's fucked up, man. I was not I hadn't met her or anything, so I didn't have any sort of like real emotion towards it like you guys did.
Bro, you was crying in the morning.
Yeah,
Ek
he
second,
was
ek
Yeah,
second.
bro. He shed a few tears.
I didn't
Were
cry.
you crying?
I didn't shed any tears, but I was very upset. I was
Yeah,
like,
he was hurt. He was hurt.
dude, like, how can you just die? वो भी
How can you just die on us?
We were getting like 1 year closer to actually dating her at some point.
yeah,
like
yeah,
going
she
on
had
a
said
date.
like,
Do you think you'd still date her?
Would you ever date
Oh
her
no,
now?
no, no. I'm sorry, Poonam. If you're watching this,
It's like if the Yugo's off the market.
I'm sorry.
You go
ये
back
देख,
to
मैं- if you, I mean, you're cheating life here.
ये
like, what
गलत
the
बात है
fuck?
भाई.
you
No,
guys
Come on, dude.
what is sacred?
Like-
you know, like
But the good thing is, whoever bought the OnlyFans subscription,
yeah, they
I don't think
cheers,
she's on
buddy.
she's on something, bro.
She's on something like
जो भी
OnlyFans.
है, like their money
Whatever,
is, you know,
मैंने
That
तो-
joke was
that-
too overused, bro. Like,
yeah, that
was
comment
kinda
section
lame.
was filled with that.
मैंने तो Reddit पे देखा है सब.
Hmm.
For free.
Yeah, for free. I-
Oh.
Yeah.
Like I don't pay for.
I've even seen Kanye's that this thing. He's also on like a podcast,
Kanye.
and then he's like, I don't pay for this OnlyFans shit. I watch everything on Reddit. Like Kanye West, bro, the biggest motherfucker. Same thing, bro. Same vibes.
Yeah. So then we were like, man, this is like kind of fucked up. What to do? Then we partied again. No, I'm kidding. This is the middle of the day, guys.
Yeah.
Come on. Then I was like, hey, bro, अभी क्या हो गया ये? ऐसा तो नहीं करना चाहिए था. Like, so many people were so upset, and like I look like a truth now, being all emotional
Yeah,
on
bro.
my
I
story.
literally
Yeah,
got
yeah.
some 100 replies to my story saying, bro, she's alive.
Yeah.
And
I
you didn't
joke
remove
tha.
the story, na, when you got to know also, bastard.
Yeah, I posted the next story after that.
Yeah, and you can't go back.
You can't
bro.
go back
Like,
on your word, bro. I
Go
just look
back
like a
on what?
pussy.
I mean, she did. So like,
Yeah, she went back on her word. Should have just stayed where she was.
I deleted the story as
Yeah.
soon as I saw her reel. Like, come on, dude.
मैं जिंदा
मर के reel
Yugo
डाल
takes
दिया
her shit seriously, bro.
Yeah.
now the memes are also like, I mean,
Oh,
we
dude.
got something to talk about. It's not
Yeah.
that all bad, but
Yeah.
like,
It's
I mean,
not all
you
bad.
like
Is there
you,
any angle of, you know, anyone thinking
this is okay.
for her, or like she must have, I mean, we're all talking about her.
I'm
See,
not telling how I
and,
really feel about this.
You're not?
Because then people will hate me.
No, please, dude.
No,
Come
yeah,
on.
they'll be
ऐसे
like-
कैसे
maybe
भाई?
you're playing a character.
No, I'm not playing a character.
So
For real,
don't say
for
na,
real,
you're
for
playing.
real.
You
For
don't
real,
want
I-
to say.
I'll tell you how I feel about it for real.
Hmm.
I feel like if the sole goal of this gimmick was to make sure people even look up cervical cancer, then she got it right. Because
Nailed it, right? Like,
'Cause
people
they
are
did.
talking about it, and it has been Googled, like, in the past.
हाँ,
Arey
but
bhai,
I'll
you
check
can
it
do many other things and get
Exactly,
your thing to be
bro.
Googled,
But to
yeah.
this degree, I don't think so.
Arey, by which degree? First of all, I want to see all these stats which say most Googled and all these. Are
It's not
Hai,
most
hai.
Googled,
But
but
whatever.
You will see
Obviously,
that.
people
No,
will
it's just
search
short
it, but
up, right?
now
Like-
we have spoken to quite a few people about the situation. Not once have we mentioned cervical cancer. We're only talking about
Because you're a
Poonam
dude,
Pandey.
bro. You don't have a cervix.
Who gives a fuck? Bro? There were women also that we were talking to. No one seemed to care.
No,
But
they did say.
they were people who knew what cervical cancer is. I'm sure they all get checkups and stuff done. They're like pretty like decent. I mean, decent तो नहीं.
देखो
Like
भाई,
they know, bro. They know all
तुमको
this.
कुछ भी I know that
see, there are
People
better
don't-
ways.
No,
There are
see,
better ways to spread
I
awareness
get
of
it.
this.
I get it. Marketing, whatever you need. If you want anything to succeed, you gotta market it, and for whatever reason, cool. You know, you do that, but then you don't fucking say you're dead,
Bro, I
and,
think
and like lie to people about something that is so like.
I'm not
crazy.
saying it's right.
No,
It's
it
wrong,
worked, it
but
worked.
it worked.
Yeah.
See, I think
Yeah,
whoever
bro.
like wrote
Look at
this
us, bro.
campaign,
Look at us.
we're discussing this shit for the past 10 minutes.
We've been only talking about this since yesterday.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, the
We were
goal
pretty
is
upset.
the goal is awareness, right? The goal was awareness
Yeah.
for this campaign. हो गया awareness,
You
लोग बात
wanted
कर
to
रहे
say
हैं.
something. I
No,
thought.
bro, I was just like, imagine being this guy who comes up with this marketing plan. I think he must have come up with it as a joke,
कौन
saying
सा
let's kill a
चूतिया है
celebrity and
भाई?
tell them that.
पूनम जी आप
पूनम
मर
जी को
जाओ
बचाओ और फिर
उसके
हम
बाद
डाल
ना,
देंगे स्टोरी.
हम नेक्स्ट डे डाल देंगे अब तो मर ही नहीं थे अब तो जिंदा हो
I would have been very excited. And actually it went through, bro. Someone just gave it as a joke. How can a team even give approval for
Bro,
this?
but like,
it's so
okay,
stupid.
if you're saying it's bad, who is it bad for?
The people who actually
It's bad
have
for Poonam also, bro.
No,
See-
bro. So that's my point. That's
What?
what I was gonna come to. Only Poonam can pull something like this off
100%.
because she has nothing to lose, bro.
See, I'll
That's
tell
the
you,
thing.
there
Didn't
are
she
only
come out here and say that she wanted to like make it as an actor and work on new things?
she
See,
did
you-
that-
you-
she did good acting.
you lose
Bro,
credibility
now to
in a
she
way.
She
Now
acted
though I
dead, bro,
don't
for
know-
like 24 hours.
Yeah, but that is not a role.
That
she's
is a
getting
big
paid
role that
for.
she played.
I don't know now if all of that was also true.
Now we just have.
I don't know
lost
if she
trust
even
on
likes
this
vada
woman.
pav or not now.
Nahi,
I'm upset
nahi.
about that shit.
She does post quite a few stories of vada pav.
That's the only genuine thing.
Oh,
she likes
man.
vada pav.
So you think she was lying when she said I'd date like 2 years?
Yeah, yeah.
younger?
That she
Dude,
did.
just forget about that,
Okay,
bro. That's
fine.
not good.
I mean, that's over anyway,
Yeah.
Poonam.
First name basis pe bhai.
Pura.
You should have gotten her back
Yeah.
to.
To like confront her about all this nonsense.
Yeah, like what happened?
Arnab style, or?
Yeah,
These
go
are
Arnab on her
nasty
ass.
questions, dude.
Yeah.
Nah, we're nice.
Did you think the nation wanted this? Do you think it's a joke? All the people in this nation are watching you, madam. Poonam ji, wherever you are, come out of hiding right now and talk to the people of this nation.
So good, bro.
तूने देखा है क्या काफी?
घर में चलता था बहुत लगता
Who was asking the questions, bro?
I used to keep the TV very loud.
loud Arnab to blur out all the other noise.
I remember
Full volume.
I remember Arnab.
Oh man, Arnab's taught you more.
It'd be fire to talk to Arnab also.
Yeah.
Just be
Yeah.
like, what's up, man?
Where is he, bro, by the way? Like,
He still does the Republic.
Didn't he got harassed in that plane by Kamra, and then after that I haven't heard anything about it.
उसके बाद उसने like I think he flies private.
Yeah,
Like, I don't need this shit, bro. I'm making.
Kamra's bit is too good, bro. That.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
It's so funny, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Man, you should call him one day. Like,
Yeah, I
what's
think
up,
we
bro?
should get him
What's
on
up,
another.
man?
Yeah.
Oh, my. What a crazy month Jan was, bro.
It's
Like,
already only 3 days in.
No, like,
Bro,
even
Jan.
Jan. All of
Oh, yeah,
Jan, bro.
Jan.
We were
Jan
so-
was so fucking long, didn't you?
Yeah,
feel
everyone
that?
said like
Yeah.
it's just too long.
I felt like I was on vacation or something.
Jan.
Jan whooped my ass, bro.
What
I had a
happened,
very
bro?
hectic Jan.
Kya hua, bhai?
Just the job has been very hectic, and then the music has been very hectic, and then been doing a lot of other shit.
It's been very hectic.
Yeah, it's all been very hectic,
You
and
mentioned that was very hectic.
Jan
Yeah.
was hectic for you?
it was.
Yeah, what gave it away?
We would never have guessed.
Ah, bhai.
Our
Been
Jan was
packed
too
with
good.
shit to do. What you did?
Kya too good?
Too good, bro. Like, I mean, too good as in, it wasn't good.
It wasn't at all good.
No, but like, I was thoda, you know, it's the month after like a hectic December.
Yeah.
You are
Yeah.
like, you want to chill, like, thoda,
Mm.
you're lazy. And we kind of could afford to be lazy this month. Because I think like we went thoda hard last
Hard in
month. Just like
December.
work wise and like
Yeah.
whatever. So abhi masti kiya, bro. It's important to have that balance. The other day I was like sitting and I was like thinking about all of this. It was like really late and it was like stuff was happening in my brain. Induced by anyway.
Mm.
I was sitting and I was thinking about this grind, okay? कि
Hmm.
हम खुद काम करते हैं क्यों कर रहे हैं bro? Like ठीक है ना, this is good. Like I don't need to be doing this all the time. Like it's grinding. Then I had fun that night. Then the next day I woke up, I was thinking about this. I was like, this is how losers think. I'm back now.
What a quick, so much
That was
switcheroo,
that was
like-
the devil, bro, talking
Yeah,
to me.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
Slow
like,
down,
what is
chill
that
out.
paradox called? There's a devil on one shoulder and an angel on one shoulder, and they're both like telling you how to like.
That's just life.
Yeah.
It's your conscience.
Can't believe we all wore fucking white t-shirts to mourn her death.
He looks like he's going out to party.
That's after we found out, na?
Yeah, after I
correct.
found
she's
We didn't
alive.
find out.
We didn't
we're
find
still
out.
in that.
If you
We're
know
still in
clothes.
shock.
But actually, like, what do you guys think about that? Like, do you think you should be like grinding all the time?
I feel like you should enjoy your grind. It's the grind is also enjoyable. Just because it's grind, it doesn't mean that you can't enjoy it.
Wait, what grind are we talking about?
That should be someone's
you said
grinder.
the grind.
user.
Should I be grinding or should I be thinking about enjoying my life? So then I said that the grind can be enjoyable, and that's what it is for us right now.
Well said, dude.
Haan, but aisa, what about like just like switching off and not?
Switch na.
Switch off and,
Sometimes
like,
switch
fuck
na. You have
around,
so much
bro.
time to switch. करो जो करने
Switch
का उस
off
पे
बोल
मेहनत
रहा
करो
है
उसके
वो।
बाद switch off करो थोड़ा.
I mean, अपने लिए तो अलग है. I'm kind of thinking about it from the perspective of the people who are like doing normal, मतलब उनका normal काम है.
Day to
Most
day.
of the people who are watching, I'm assuming, like the viewers, उनका तो ये होगा ना कि the grind is a grind only, and then it's like it's like
yeah.
fun, work and fun, work.
It's
life
pretty-
balance.
Work-life
It's a
balance.
work-life
is-
balance that
yeah.
you need
Right,
to
right.
establish.
They work hard for whatever, like 9 months, and then they have 2-3 months. जो भी they're like, okay, we'll have
2-3
it.
महीना
Take a
किसको मिलता
vacation.
है
दो
भाई?
तीन महीना किसको मिला भाई?
2-3
The
months.
top
Yeah,
1%,
yeah,
I would say.
corporate.
नहीं ना, I'm talking about like
We're talking about every day.
भाई
like.
बच्चे अभी कॉलेज
हाँ,
से निकल
फिर-
के काम कर रहे
हाँ,
हो.
फिर bro, you work all year and then you have one vacation at the end of it. That's how it usually works.
I don't know, bro.
One or
if that's
two.
like feasible. Like,
I think like if you're
I feel like
working-
you'll never be like relaxed.
Yeah.
Depends how much money you're
See, it
making.
depends on how much, yeah, all of that. And then if you have like enough holidays in the bank, might as well just encash it, bro.
चल average salary कितना है?
40,000 रहेगा महीने
पागल
का.
है क्या? Average salary is not
Average भाई.
Average means average of what? you're
Like
taking?
people who are
Like,
educated. and
Educated, like at least they've got a degree.
Like, हाँ, undergrad.
It's
degree.
between 20 and 40 then. I would say.
So let's take 40.
But 40 में how will you be relaxed ever? गांड
Depends.
लगेगा.
Then you go, you start thinking about, okay, what is this guy's social situation? Where is he like placed in life? Does he stay with his family? Does he not? Like, how does he spend most of his money? What are his ambitions apart from the job? उसको ऐश करने का है या उसको टाइम पास करने का है?
I think the solution is to make more money.
Always, I think that's
Always,
the-
huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, bro. I don't know.
it's like a
Starting to think money is just like
what? The thing.
हाँ वही है मतलब.
That's the like motive in life is money.
Not
the
motive.
motive.
Motive in life is other things, but you need money.
Money to-
do those
Whoever
other
said
things.
money can't buy happiness.
Is lying.
नहीं, money
lying.
facilitates happiness. Like, or things that give you pleasure.
Yeah.
Money is the key to happiness.
Yes, money is the key to happiness.
But
Happiness
it's not
is on the
happiness.
other
Eh, हाँ,
side.
I think we
I
had
was
this
like,
once. Yeah,
there,
yeah.
There is a door, okay?
Yeah.
If you enter that, you might have a chance to be happy.
Hmm.
But the only way to unlock that door is with money. So money is the key.
और तेरे पास चाबी नहीं है तो तू तेरे को दिखेगा ही नहीं वो.
हाँ.
Like you can't get in without the key. So to get the key, you need to make money.
Because what is happiness? Happiness is satisfaction.
Why do you say
Satisfaction.
it like that?
Satisfaction. Satisfy is what? Food.
Who's it talking?
It's like these uncles who grab you at the party drunk.
Once they are drunk, they don't stop.
Yeah, this बाजू में लेके what is satisfaction? Food, family.
Food
a
comes
wife.
first.
Sex.
You want good children?
Sexually satisfy.
That they
No
never
uncle
bring
is
up,
saying
bro.
anything
No
about
uncle has-
sexually
no
satisfying.
uncle is
Creepy
saying
uncle.
that.
That creepy uncle. takes you
Who's
to the
drunk?
Who's drunk?
side and then
I think drunk creepy
And then he
uncles
gets
are the
carried
funniest,
away.
bro.
it's
Yeah.
like sexual satisfaction.
Yeah, have you all seen that one reel of that kid who's going to sleep with his uncle?
Yeah.
That is so fucked up.
You know, it's the same kid, no?
Huh?
It's like the
What?
same guy.
What does that mean?
The
He's
uncle
put a
and
He's
filter.
him
playing
is the same-
character. He's playing a
Oh,
character.
fuck.
Yeah, it's
That's
not.
Oh
his,
my god,
You
this
thought
guy
it's his
sounds-
actual uncle?
No, I just thought it was some guy cosplaying his uncle.
No, it's him with the then an old person filter.
Have you ever had like a creepy uncle?
I haven't had. Thankfully.
I have not like experienced it, but I see it at weddings. Like I can see it happen at
Like,
weddings.
what do
they,
you
they hug the kids for too long.
Like, अरे पियो ये वो करते हैं and then
That is
they'll,
different.
they'll
That's
get
cool.
That is the cool.
Those
Bro.
are cool uncles.
That's
Have
Have
the
you
seen
seen
any-
some uncle who's like touching children?
What the fuck?
touching
That's
children.
what he meant, na, when they
Oh.
hug kids. for too
Touching
long.
nahi. I didn't say touching. You're saying.
Okay, like hugging the
felt
kids
like-
for too long. It's
I like holding them and like going and then
Maybe they just love their kids.
nahi,
No,
it's
man.
fine. That is fine. And then suddenly they're like they do it too much and you're like that I'm uncomfortable.
अरे उसको
kind of.
प्यार है अपने बच्चे से वो
अरे वो
करेगा।
खुद का
Okay,
बच्चा
what
थोड़ी
do you
ना
think
है।
of
अच्छा,
like
दूसरे के बच्चे का करना।
parents or whoever kissing their kids on the mouth and like
no,
what do you
all
that happens?
No, they
and-
do it. I think it's that's a European thing, right? Or a
हाँ, it
Western
is,
thing.
but I
Like
don't
how?
know.
How are they kissing? Like that.
like a peck.
What else? What
Side.
more do you?
Aside, bro, because there's no
It's
like
it's cool till a certain age.
Huh.
Like
What
1,
age?
2. One
actually
or two, bro.
now that I think about it.
Max.
भाई वो बच्चा है. I mean उसका ही बच्चा है.
हाँ.
I get it, but
Yeah, It's kind of odd, bro. I was like,
Something
sign of love,
to
yeah.
me it feels a little off.
Yeah.
I don't
would
know.
not
I
kiss
just
my
thought
child.
I'd bring this up.
I mean, I haven't had a child yet, so I
would
don't
you
know
do
what
it
that
with your
feels
dad
like.
right now?
No, hell no. Hell nah. Hell nah.
Poor guy, what if he's watching this episode?
He'll be happy. He'll be proud of me, dude. That I said this.
Not even like a. Like that.
Why not?
I don't want to kiss my father on the
Wait.
Whose
lips.
father you want to
You
kiss
don't love
then?
him.
I love him.
So then,
You
sure.
kiss your father, na, then.
I'll kiss your father.
Why don't you kiss my father?
Next time they're in Pune.
Yeah. Come over.
I'm coming for lunch.
And then once he beats your ass after you try to do that, na,
I think I'll be able to run faster than him.
No,
Yeah,
but
I think
who's letting you out of the house, bro? I'm gonna lock the door so I make sure he beats
So
your
you
ass.
make sure we both kiss each other properly.
No, so that he beats your ass, bro. He'll take his belt and whip you.
I'm sorry I brought this up.
Yeah, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
ठीक है ना भाई इतना ये नहीं है
We love your dad, bro.
Your dad can
मेरे
defend
माँ बाप
himself.
का इतना अपमान होता है ब्रो ये जब भी मैं आता हूँ इधर
Excuse me.
That's
That
all
day-
you,
that
buddy.
one episode-
That's all.
Literally.
Like,
that one episode
only our parents have been safe from
Yeah.
this podcast.
Yeah.
I think we should bring them up.
yeah you start.
Bring them up.
We
bro.
want to talk shit about his mom. I have a phone number in my phone actually.
Oh shit. Leak it.
It's called I've saved it as Yugu's mummy.
That's cute. Dude. I've saved your mom's name by her name.
Even
My
I've
mom
saved it-
almost
even
beat
I've saved
Yugu's
it by
ass
her.
once.
Yeah. I mean, I'm still scared of her. I mean, I saved you that day,
Yeah,
but
you
you're
were,
still.
Fuck, bro. Getting yelled at by a friend's parent is
Bro.
Yeah,
bad.
That's
And
like
especially
bottom
like
tier, bro.
each other's parents, like
Yeah.
it's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Because you know you've done something bad or you
I don't
fuck-
think I've ever been yelled at by a friend's parent.
Yeah, same.
But yeah, I'm usually liked by all the parents. I don't think
एक बार मैंने दोस्त के घर पे उल्टी कर दिया था
so her mom was yelling at you.
हाँ we had come back home drunk
Mm.
Then she can yell, bro.
and then I sat on the bed and then I was just like out of it. We were like 18 or 18, 9, I don't know.
18 plus.
हाँ मतलब
Ah, you started drinking only after you were 18.
yeah.
As everyone should.
Yeah.
Good
I
one.
mean,
And then I was sitting on the bed and I just like felt it coming, but it was like I was too fucked to just get up and even make an attempt. So I went like that and it went
oh, there was like airtime.
Project
airtime,
time.
bro. Like so like it went off the bed. Nothing fell
There
off
was
the
a
bed.
launch.
Bed पे कुछ नहीं गिरा, bro. ज़मीन पे
That's
गिरा.
kinda cool, though.
Because I had too
dude.
much beer, so it was just like
It's all
it was-
fizzy.
हाँ. It was, and then you can hear it fall on the floor, bro, because there's height also.
It's like
So
someone
then she
jumped
came
into-
running. She was like, "What happened?"
Yeah.
And then she's just saying, and she was like, "Oh hell no!" And then they had to clean it and all, bro.
Yo, was she black?
Oh, hell no. I ain't clean that shit.
Tyrone, you come in right here. Look what this boy doing in our house.
This goddamn little
Little cracker.
this white boy out here.
Anyway, so, but usually they don't say anything when stuff like this happens. They just
Yeah, they're quiet and they
yeah.
exit the room.
Yeah, they're just like
They're
this.
kind of embarrassed.
And then suddenly you'll hear them call your friend so that they can bitch about you.
And then they have to and they had to clean it up and all. It's sad, but like shout out to they took,
Shout out to that mom.
they took good care of me.
Did she like scold you or anything?
I don't remember, but I think the next day she was like,
Just disappointed.
you know, like
Yeah,
what
bro,
are you
you
doing? यार?
go to
क्या
party and
कर रहा है?
throw up your, you've humiliated yourself. मतलब बहुत ही घटिया चीज की है तूने भाई.
This one time, that's the same auntie. She was coming home to take some stuff from our house, but like I didn't know that she was coming. She had communicated it to my mom, and my mom was out. And obviously, I'd call a girl home because what do you do when you're like 17 and you're home alone? So I did that, and then like we were,
Clapping.
I mean, we were chilling. And then she comes and she's ringing the bell. I'm like, fuck it, it'll be someone who leaves. Then they ring the bell again. I'm like, arey, kya ho gaya ye? And I start getting a call. And she's like, beta, can you like come out? Like, I've brought something. I was like, oh, okay. Then I went and I'm like, now what do I say? Why wasn't
Yeah.
I opening the door? So I went ऐसा आधा t-shirt ऐसा बाल सब मुंह आधा मुंह लाल है. I go and I open the door, panting, and she's like, she just knew, bro. Like she just.
Of course she knew.
What'd she
bro.
say?
She gave the stuff. She was like, "What are you doing?" I said, "Nothing."
Jogging.
She's like, "Oh, I'll come and like sit. Your mom is coming in like 10 minutes."
Oh shit.
I was like, "Oh fuck." Then I think she had to come, and she was just like disappointed, bro. Disappointed.
She
nahi-
figured out the moment she opened the door.
I mean,
I mean,
she's
you
not
can-
stupid, bro. Like she knew something. कुछ तो कर रहा था ये. Now either she assumed that I was with a girl or I was alone, but I was doing something.
Doing something foul.
Jerking it,
Mm.
hitting a good old jerk. She also knew ना my mom isn't home. She was like बच्चे क्या ही करते हैं जब मम्मी ने नहीं रहती है.
दो ही चीजें हैं भाई.
हिलाते हैं बैठ के घर पे सब.
Yeah. No.
Mm,
You guys never been.
I'm trying to think about when. Like I remember once it became a whole scene at one friend's place once her mum found out that we used to smoke cigarettes.
Mm.
Me and.
How old were you guys? 12.
No, I think we were 18 or 19 or something like that. 19 or 20.
Then.
Yeah, so she got damn freaked out about it, and she started yelling at her, at my friend. कि, "अरे,
Saying that
सब-
your friends
ये
smoke."
ये सब तुम क्या कर रहे हो वगैरह. And then my friend was like, "अरे, it's their life. I'm not smoking. They
Yeah, I
can
mean,
do
that's a
whatever they
good-
want."
That's a good defense.
I
And
mean,
then-
they're
Yeah.
Yeah, so then like the mum is also like upset about the fact
Mm.
that her friend is
Her
her child's friends are doing all these things. Because we've hung out with her mom a lot. Like we still go and visit.
Now
Yeah,
smoke
fun.
cigarettes together.
Yeah, I smoked cigarettes with her mom.
That's why she was pissed off, bro, because none of your kids were offering her.
Or including
Like
her.
you-
in the-
all you
now
children.
that we're grown-ups, we can.
My
we
mom
can do
used to
that.
say, "Why do you have to? Why do
Not
your
that I
friends have to
smoke anymore.
smoke?"
Huh.
I said, "Abhi, now they do. What am I supposed to do?" And
Yeah.
they're like, "Then don't be friends with people who smoke." And I was
Yeah,
like,
I mean, that
won't-
was kind of, that's the most illogical
Yeah, I was
argument.
like, I won't have any friends. She's like, "Oh, so everyone smokes?" I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "You find me someone who doesn't smoke."
Hmm.
And then she was like,
Fuck, all of your friends smoked, or you had no friends that didn't? Or was that just a defense?
"Nahi, it's just like now people
statement.
smoke, bro." Abhi,
Yeah,
if I'm,
it's not in my hands, bro, if someone else smokes.
like every time we go out, I too don't smoke. But when I go out, everything smells like smoke. Like I just
Yeah,
come
yeah.
back smelling
Yeah,
like
bro,
smoke.
this one time my mom smelled me and she's like, "How much have you smoked?" I'm like, "Bro, I do not smoke." Like, you tend to stand in the smoking room and talk to people. And your clothes catch on to that smell.
Yeah. So. Okay.
Excuse me. No, everyone knows
You
I don't
tend
smoke.
to stand in the smoking
I have a
room.
picture of
that's why you
Stewie
talk to
smoking on my Instagram if you guys want to go check that out.
I don't even smoke.
Okay.
Such bad
What?
character.
But then that's so smoking is one trait that they find synonymous with a bad person, basically parents.
Yeah.
Like there's no way you can avoid that.
Yeah, bro.
But it's weird because even they smoke sometimes. You know?
like their friends also smoke.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't know, man. I feel like just don't smoke.
Yeah. Don't
Don't
smoke.
do drugs. Don't drink.
Yeah.
It's all bad.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Just like do yoga and
Meditate.
get into like ice baths and
Yeah.
Hmm.
work out and stuff.
Ice baths are
We
interesting.
got
pretty cold.
Yeah, we did like an ice bath thing. Like, bro, life has been kind of weird lately because I'm very healthy in some aspects and I'm very unhealthy in certain
You're
aspects.
healthy in the day and
So-
you fuck everything up at night.
By the sun goes down.
I'm telling you.
I don't know, bro.
He's
like,
not healthy during the day,
Bro, I do the healthy stuff, then I'm like, chal, I did the healthy stuff.
So now I
can,
get to
Yeah.
fuck around.
like, I'm
I get to
it's
reward
like I'm
myself.
trying to earn it or something. Because, like, I have dinner. I have home cooked meals.
We have like proper meals every single day.
Yeah, but I get hungry at night. Then what?
Mm.
What
So
do
you
do?
eat more na in the day.
Nahin, in the
You
day.
can't just like hog and fill yourself.
You're
You
not a-
can't wake up at 4 in the morning and feel like
Who
eating.
says we're waking up? We're
Yeah.
just up.
He's saying,
We're just
"Hey,
up,
wow,
bro.
don't be.
We have
I think it's
reversed our
easier
sleep
what?
time.
No, I'm not saying, I'm not trying to tell you
Not
what to
easy
do.
getting sleep, bro.
I'm just like, even I sleep late.
What happened, dude?
You two are always awake only.
अभी होता है, bro. It's We sleep during the day.
Let's talk about it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very easy to easy to sleep your fix your sleep, bro.
Yeah.
Like if you go to bed around 12,
Hmm.
you won't get sleep for a while. Then
I tried that, bro. I didn't get sleep till like 3:30.
did you hit a jerk?
No.
See, that's the key.
Next time I'll try that.
That's
Hey,
the
but
key,
bro, you have to be tired. Your body needs to tire
Exactly.
out.
You hit a jerk.
हाँ, but you can go to the gym also. You can do
You can
other
hit the
Why
weights.
go to the gym when you can
Why go to
hit
the
a jerk?
Yeah.
Because okay. No, if you
Just
want
hit
to
a jerk,
if
man.
you want to hit
Just
a jerk,
whack it,
then you
bro.
jerk it. Dude. Just jerk yourself to death. How about that?
Give a nice little rub to the
Rub and
lamp.
tub.
Rub the lamp.
Rub that lamp, bro.
Get that Aladdin out there.
Get Aladdin out for everyone.
No,
The
but it works,
genie
bro.
is called something
It
else.
works. Do you guys remember when we were in school, when we were like 14, 15, you'd sleep peacefully every night?
No.
No. But
Not
that was for
really.
like just because you're tired from school, bro.
From hitting all those jerks.
Nahi, from
How
like,
many you're hitting?
I'm not hitting. I don't hit.
Then why you're saying?
This is for people.
But when you were 14, 15, how many were you hitting?
14, 15.
As the age went up.
When I had just discovered it, so I was
Abusing it.
I was
like,
hitting it like it was.
Business.
Like you could go unlimited.
Yeah, bro. I
Like
should have
you
been
had-
arrested for assault.
Did you okay,
Domestic
this
violence
is, this is a
on
bad
myself.
question, but
God.
did you have a challenge with yourself? Like, how
Challenge?
many can I do in an
My
hour?
God, bro.
Yeah.
You did?
What is wrong with the
And
two of
how-
you?
what-
Bro,
how
I
did you-
wanted to test my limits, bro.
What was your
this-
best?
like, maybe 3.
Yeah.
In an hour?
Yeah, like, and the third one,
What the
मैं like, थूक
no,
निकल
but-
रहा है भाई. Like, just a few drops are coming out. It hurts and like, but still, like, I want.
निकल रही है.
You're home alone, bro.
like, भाई 7:30-8 बजे तक घर पे कोई आने नहीं वाला है सुबह के 8 बजे से लेके एंड इट्स अ सैटरडे you have everything
Wi-Fi is working.
you just got Wi-Fi like come on
Have you ever like thought
12
about
Mbps.
jerking it in like a public place in the house that people like when no one's at home?
Thought about it. That
come on
was
now
that
thought
was
about
my
it.
thing, bro. Back in the day.
ऐसा
Like-
लिविंग रूम के couch पे जाके
Yeah.
fucking jizz everywhere.
that's a daredevil right there like parents have gone to take a nap ठीक है दोपहर को
Fuck,
Hall में
that is too crazy.
That is too.
हॉल में आ जाओ एक मुट्ठ मार के भाग जाता हूँ
किधर where?
I didn't do it it's
At
like
the dining table or something.
The fuck is wrong with you guys, bro?
दादाजी के कुर्सी पे
दादाजी की कुर्सी पे.
He's also done it over there.
दादाजी पे I thought he was going to say.
कुर्सी पे कब्जा कर लिया. That's
It's
one
like
way.
how dogs piss and mark their territory, no?
That's one way to.
Yeah, you
earn
just
it.
you on my
Jizzing on
granddad's
Dadaji's
face as a dog marking his territory.
Guess who's the champ now, old man?
You think this is your family? It's my family now.
I'm planting my seed. I'm proving a point.
Yeah. Good times. Good times, bro.
yeah
दादाजी के कुर्सी
I was
You
imagining
must done
like an
some
old
wild
rocking
shit,
chair.
bro.
Rocking chair for extra effect. Put the radio on.
You tune it.
ए, नुसरत का कोई तो गाना बज रहा है भाई रेडियो पे.
नुसरत नहीं नफरत हो जाएगी भाई उससे
Nusrat, who the chef?
Nusrat Fateh Ali
Fateh
Khan.
Ali Khan.
yeah
Oh, okay. If only he knew what his music was being used for.
Oh God.
You go.
भाई गरम हो रहा है मेरे को
ए, हाँ भाई.
He was
you-
getting excited, bro, remembering Dadaji's chair.
दादाजी का chair. दादाजी के chair पे. एक second ना.
thank you
I'll be right with you boys. नहीं हो रहा भाई.
हो गया, हो रहा है.
Happened today.
हो गया.
I'm so tired. I'm so
What else did we do?
we've done
We went for.
You went for that
We went
concert.
for-
we went for Lola
Ah,
How was
Yeah.
that?
good, bro. Solid.
Yeah.
yeah fun 2 days you went a little too hard
I
a
went
little
too hard the first day. Second day, I
but
couldn't
he
make
missed
it.
the second day
Second day you didn't go.
No, I couldn't.
What did you?
I woke him up also at like 3 o'clock. I was like, bro, we'll leave in an hour.
I
He's
had
like,
slept
yeah,
at
yeah.
1.
Yeah, I know.
PM.
Shit, dude.
The next
you were
day.
partying all night.
Partying all night.
Partying all night.
No, we went for the concert over there. So, like, we were just chilling.
Yeah, we did a lot of masti, bro.
we kept meeting people,
Hmm.
just fucking around.
Yeah, shout
saw-
out to whoever we met.
Who's your favorite act? Or like, who do you enjoy?
Kenny Beats, because I was like,
Kenny Beats was actually a lot of
You
fun.
were
bro.
on.
Yes,
yeah.
watched him on
You were
YouTube
having
so
fun.
much.
Yeah.
Finally
The
seeing
thing is,
him.
Kenny Beats was playing a set that I play. Like literally every song was the same. I'll tell you what I mean by that is even he downloads his music from SoundCloud.
we were just,
Like edits are the same, bro. So I was just losing it.
we were just drunk, bro. I think.
No, I wasn't. Nah, I wasn't drinking.
अरे कुछ नहीं संत आदमी है भाई तू कुछ नहीं करता.
भाई मैं सच्ची में वो दिन नहीं किया.
Yeah, absolutely
It was a lot
not,
of
bro.
fun. नहीं.
वो कार्ड में हमने 4,000 रुपए का रिचार्ज
अरे we had so many friends. No, you forgot or what?
अच्छा अच्छा
अच्छा,
बेटा.
फ्रेंड्स पे हमने किया खर्चा.
Of course.
Yeah, bro. Okay.
Man,
Okay, bro.
why you lying, bro?
Why would I lie?
Straight up.
But it was fun, bro. Kenny's set was.
Kenny was. I didn't spend much time there.
Where were you?
One Republic, brother.
That was our next day shoot, yeah.
Okay. What was there? What was clashing?
Jonas.
Jonas brother.
You were at Jonas Brothers?
Yeah, yeah.
I would have gone with Kenny Beats.
I was
Kenny
with.
was-
I was dragged by some women, bro. Like I'm
Oh,
not fucking.
whoa.
fucking
Dragged by
सारे
some
लौंडे
women.
बैठ के Kenny Beats पे डिक्चिक कर रहे चूते बैठ
You
के.
got us there.
What did you do?
Huh?
You met any nice women there?
Yeah, there were some nice people I met. For sure.
People or
Yeah.
People
Good-
are great. When you meet new people, it's so fun.
It was a good festival experience.
it is fun. It is
Good
fun.
festival, bro. Good festival. Then
There's so much coming up, bro. Like so many new festivals,
it's obviously
concerts.
Festival पे
करना है
festival
तेरे
हो रहा है
को,
भाई.
marketing करना है.
No, I'm saying
कर
like,
नहीं कर भाई.
they should reach out to us.
Passes चाहिए, free का passes चाहिए तेरे को.
Backstage.
Backstage.
AAA passes.
Loudus तू भी. रील नहीं डालेगा ये.
मैंने डाला.
लैंड का रील नहीं डालेगा. उसको बोला you'll get free passes.
He'll do it.
सीधा भाई.
He'll do
सीधा
it.
फोन निकाल के.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, send me that footage now, bro. I'm making a reel. सारे influencers same ही है भाई.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're all whores for free tickets.
I mean, it's
Excuse
good.
me.
It's good. Like,
Yeah, who doesn't want free
It's
shit?
like a barter deal, right?
Yeah.
They get the.
It's like you scratch my back, I scratch yours.
they get the.
You fuck me in the ass.
They get the shitty reel from Stewie, and they have to give
I
out
gotta
some.
give like passes. उनको क्या ही है भाई?
no, but it makes sense for them to like have these kind of people around.
Yeah.
At the festival.
Yeah.
Like since too.
No, but he's
people
great,
would
he's-
say he's cool. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a cool guy, you know.
Who are these people?
I don't know.
Some people hopefully.
they gave him passes, so they must be thinking something.
No,
You
he's
should meet him.
They should come here sometime.
Yeah. No, it's good. It's good. Then obviously
there's always the afters, man.
afters.
You all have become afters, boys.
No, since
You all
moving
enjoy
here,
going
like, we-
beyond
There's
the
like a
past.
video of
Started
you
doing
just
like-
shitting on after parties, saying it's the worst thing in the world.
Yeah, you used to hate after parties.
I'm kind of changing my like.
No, but you only go for the after party, so it's not really an after party, right? Like a lot
Oh,
of
it's a
times.
party for me.
Yeah, so it just
That's true.
turns
No,
into
bro.
what
See,
the
once you're
mainstream is.
out, once you're out, then it's like now तो we have an excuse also. Where it's a shitty excuse, but it's like, bro, वैसे भी हम 6 बजे तक नहीं सोने वाले.
Yeah.
तो घर जाके क्या ही करेंगे?
Hmm. Yeah.
Someone says this, and then the other person
That's,
has no.
that's just the enabler.
Yeah, they're like, oh, you're right. Let's
But
go.
you all know that's nonsense.
No, it's true, no?
No, that's.
But
pretty-
just because you're not going to pass out means you have to go to the afters. or
Yeah.
Do something else.
Might as well go and have fun.
See, I go to the afters when there is nothing to do at home.
Huh.
If there is something to do at home, I'm like, chal.
Let's
fuck
go
this
to the
now, let's
afters
go
first
home.
and then go home.
See, here's the thing. रात के 2-3 बजे घर पे भी like what's the
Yeah.
most fun thing that can happen?
Yeah.
Out there, at least you're like, okay, I might see something or do something that I haven't maybe done before.
You wanna
See someone.
get out of this place?
Or see something.
Yeah.
You wanna cut early?
Yeah.
I'm cutting da. This is a Bangalore thing I've heard recently.
Yugo has to go for an afters tonight also.
You're going for an
What?
afters tonight?
I don't. I'm.
Yeah, Saturday
Aaj
night
kaam.
plans.
Aaj kaam.
Aaj calm hai.
Saturday night plans.
Oh, it is Saturday night.
Saturday.
And we're sitting here like this.
Oh, but I don't know.
We're having fun.
I've asked for some questions on our
Ah,
broadcast. Should I read some out?
Go for it, bro.
Sure na.
pull some out, brother.
Also, guys, join the broadcast. It's very fun.
करना है तो करो भाई.
It's
like
all like
honestly,
Poonam
I've started using
Pandey.
Instagram more only so that I can fuck around on that broadcast.
You fuck around too much, dude.
I have nothing else to do on
Can
this
you
app,
stop
bro.
commenting my name on fucking
What?
like I want to kiss this guy or like all this.
I didn't comment anything.
ऐसे ही
like that.
चीजें कर रहा है भाई
Oh.
तू.
There's some solid questions here.
Okay, go.
Someone said Stuvie's deep vagina.
That's an
Stewie is a
articulate
deep
question.
vagina or
No.
Stewie's deep vagina?
Stewie's deep vagina. Question mark है इसके आगे.
Yeah.
Is there fill in a blank? or-
Stewie, answer ना.
Stewie's deep vagina. Question mark.
दोस्त उधार वापस क्यों नहीं करता? Should we talk about this? How do you go about like when you lend someone money?
To be honest, I don't. If I'm loaning anyone money, I don't ask. Most cases, I don't ask for it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
It depends on the amount. Like if it's an insane amount of
Obnoxious
money,
amount.
You've
then
been giving out insane amounts of money.
I mean insane. Like for someone like if I like let's say for example if I loan you like 15 grand,
Oh.
then that'll I like
You'd ask
I'm
him
not-
back for it?
no, I wouldn't ask him back for it immediately. Like let's say if he said I'll give it back to you in like 3 months, I'll probably ask him after like 8-9 months.
Oh.
So
I think
3
that's,
महीने वो
like I know it's in the back of my mind, but I don't really care. Like it's okay. It's not gone. It's not
So
been
what
stolen
amount?
from me.
Is like, ठीक है भाई, I'll let it be.
As in?
Like let's say you've given someone an amount and you're like, ठीक है, even if they don't pay me back, it's okay.
Oh. Well, that would depend on my own financial situation.
Bro, to answer this question, bro, it's like it depends on who you are loaning out the money
Yeah,
to and how much the
and
money
what your
is
bank
and
looks
And
like.
what your
also, and
relationship
also your relationship with that
with that person. Yeah.
भाई मेरा तो सीन ये है
पान तुक के
अगर अगर किसी को उधार दिया है ना
हाँ.
तुमने तुम अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करो
bad debt like or
दे
whatever.
दिया है ना
It's
दे
gone.
दिया है ना तो let
दे
it
दिया
go.
है भाई
It's gone. It's out of my hands.
अगर you needed the money then you shouldn't have given
Yeah.
Right.
Agreed.
right and
हाँ वो पूछ रहा है वो थोड़े where is he pointing a gun
Like
at you
if
saying,
it's
give me the money.
he needs it and you can give it.
yeah
Might as well
So
give
just
it, yeah.
become okay with spending on people
Yeah.
Hmm.
like
People
just,
you love.
हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
you shouldn't be giving udhars to random people
Yeah.
anyway if in the moment it's moment भी क्या मतलब कैसा ही moment होगा if you've bought something for someone and you're like you pay me later
Mm.
ठीक है I mean either they'll pay or they won't pay
Yeah.
or if you have an arrangement where
You
you
get
pay
something
and you're
and
like
you get
they'll
something
pay the
else.
next time
हाँ.
and then the next time also you're paying then the next time also you're paying then I can understand how it can get frustrating मैं ही दे रहा हूँ venture
Yeah.
so then reevaluate your friendship
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the answer.
go out alone
Yeah, don't make friends.
Make new people. Make new friends.
Make new people.
Meet new people. Make new friends.
ठीक है next question dude.
next question
KBC चल रहा है क्या?
नहीं, this was getting dragged.
Yeah, why have we ever done this before?
Yeah,
Right on
I
the
like
podcast
this.
for
But I
questions.
want
This should
some
be like
fun
We can
question.
make it like a
segment.
segment.
दोस्तों के बीच sexual tension होती है क्या
बताओ
These two,
भाई.
bro. Look at these two.
हाँ.
I'm assuming it's like
If you like pina coladas.
I'm assuming it's like between male and female friends
Okay. Then I don't know.
you don't think होती है
What about between male and male?
What about?
Between like two male friends.
Can happen.
It can happen.
Sexual tension.
And then how do you work on it?
Well, what I would think would be the right way to go about it is give subtle and continuous hints.
By
Subtle,
tagging them in posts, na?
Yeah, maybe.
I think you should tag them in posts.
And Just see how they react, you know.
Like if-
sometimes they might like it, and sometimes they might just see
Ignore
it. And
it.
What if they-
Someone you've jerked off to.
Tag your Pookie Bear. Like give all these tags a try.
Tag your
Now
Pookie Bear.
if Pookie Bear wants to reply, Pookie Bear will reply.
Yeah. And if
Say
they
Pookie
don't,
Bear
And
again.
if Pookie Bear just ignores it, then
then it's okay because Pookie Bear is cute.
yeah, Pookie Bear is allowed to do that.
Yeah,
Stop saying
so-
Pookie Bear.
He started it. Dude.
I don't know who's a Pookie Bear. Or what.
Nahi.
We need that cut over there. The camera should switch.
I think there is sexual tension between male friends and female friends at times. I felt it.
Mm.
So you either do
Like
something.
a platonic friendship, you felt sexual tension there.
मतलब होता है bro कभी-कभी. तू you're just like sitting and like you're like.
What would it be
The
like?
the
if I
thought
had
just
sex
like
with my
randomly
friend?
comes, right? Like at least
Yeah.
once. Like the thought will come and you can observe it,
Yeah.
But then you choose to not.
and then it can go na. ठीक है. Like you
Ah.
can't.
You can avoid it.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. You don't have to act on it.
Mm.
Yeah, most things don't act on, dude, because they're
Don't feel
usually.
bad for having sexual thoughts about your friends.
Huh? That's no.
It's normal.
Mm.
It's primal. I don't know.
It's primal.
You
It
can,
is primal.
You can.
It is primal.
Can you think about like? Do you need consent to think about someone sexually? No.
I
Right?
don't think so.
As long as it's in your head.
Yeah, and you keep it there.
Yeah.
Don't
We'd like to say this
yeah.
with as conviction as we
Yeah.
can. Like,
It's some tricky.
Yeah, it's
Territory.
difficult.
You have to like keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Next.
question.
उसके बाद
He only forgot.
should I see one?
Yeah, you want to read one or?
I think
They're
most of
asking
them
about,
are
like
the same.
situationships and shit.
Get some saucy ones, right?
Situationship के बारे में
नहीं
क्या
नहीं नहीं
बोलना है
नहीं
भाई?
नहीं नहीं.
That we're not in that situation.
It's just like what it is now. Like for me, a relationship is that only now.
A situationship.
मैंने छोड़ दिया है. I've stopped trying to
Hmm.
like get into something. Now I just like
Do what you can.
हाँ थोड़ा next thing.
Yeah.
And then maybe go back,
Mm.
reuse it. Like I'm at the mall.
Mm.
I'm like, this one's good. Like, try it on.
Try it on.
I'll see what else is there. Come back maybe if I like this.
Mm.
Hmm.
Go try it one more time. I don't know. then go to the
Then go to the
shop.
other stop.
Then go to a separate mall only.
Okay, different
Ooh.
mall this
Different
time.
mall. Hit up a different mall.
Hmm.
Sometimes maybe not shop for a while.
Yeah.
Mm.
Go eat something.
Yeah. Sometimes maybe like go back to that one mall.
हाँ,
you
the
found
the
something
first
good.
mall.
The
like,
first time,
you
yeah.
go back to
क्योंकि
like
you
that.
know where everything is.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
very familiar
Yeah,
and
you go to the
yeah.
old mall and you see what's happening.
Yeah.
Then you
yeah.
might
Oh,
shop
shit.
over there. Then you're like,
No, but new malls are better.
New malls are good.
Yeah.
You never know what you
There's
get in
always
a new
something
mall.
about that old mall though.
Yeah. Sometimes you go to a
It's the come on.
it's the
nostalgia. I think. Don't get trapped, dude. Nostalgia is
Habitual.
bad.
Yeah.
yeah, bro.
you know the whole layout. You know
Yeah, yeah.
everything.
Mm.
Yeah. Maybe
I
one
can-
of these days I'll settle down in a mall. But until then,
Let's see. We'll find our own.
I'm going to a
malls.
lot of malls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Been shopping a lot lately.
What was the
Okay,
question?
Let's move on. Then.
I don't know. Next question. Next question.
What was this answer?
Uh,
What was that face you made, dude? Okay.
mm,
We went shopping today, me and Stuvi. I've gone shopping after years, man.
Yeah, you had fun.
You know what? We went there to the mall, and then Krishna picks out like 3-4 things,
Mm.
and obviously they have the hanger on it.
Yeah.
It's like, bro, should I remove the hanger and put it back over here and take the clothes inside?
Who I have not
To try
I don't-
on.
I don't remember clothes being clipped onto a hanger before.
What the fuck do you mean? They used to lie on the floor or what when you went?
No,
earlier?
it's hung on the hanger, but then you take it off the hanger, na?
No, you can take the hanger with you to the changing room.
Okay, ठीक है. Now I've learned that.
You acted like a fucking
And I was ready to. I picked out what I wanted, and I was ready to leave.
yeah.
He was like,
And then
"Hurry,
he
you have to
asked
go
me, he's
try
like,
it
what's
on."
the return policy or exchange policy? I said, why don't you just go and try it on? He took at least 40 minutes to just try on his clothes, bro. And we were in the mall for
Arey,
only
that
45.
cubicle is
Get
so
it off the
small,
hanger.
bro.
Yeah, I think he must have known how to get out of the hanger.
It was very small, the space, so I was unable to. Whatever. Let's go through the next
Next question is why are influencers so fake?
Oh,
It's a good one, right?
It is a good one.
You want to take
Why
that?
are influencers so fake? man?
I don't know. I
Do you not
relate.
think they're fake?
I don't relate. I don't think we are fake. I feel like we're this only.
I don't think we are influencers.
We are not influencers.
Hey. I mean, yeah.
We're not influencers.
We're not, bro.
Bhai, I think we should ask you guys, why are they fake? Because you guys watch them. If you didn't watch them, they wouldn't be so fake, I guess.
Uno reverse.
ये सही बात है.
Damn, bro.
सही है ना?
Yeah.
बोल
Comment section में डालना चाहिए भाई लोगों.
Yeah, you should.
Why do they
let
think
us know.
influencers are fake?
Yeah.
They-
I'd like to propose a hypothetical situation and see what you guys think about it. What if, like, let's say, I am an influencer, okay, and whatever, like a creator or whatever.
Can you say it normally?
creator?
Creator.
And I start making my content, and all, but then I'm being damn real on it. Like I'm living a real life and not just magnifying all the small cool things I did, like, and make it my everything for my feed. Like, how involved is an audience member or viewer going to be in like a situation?
What
like
is, like, what? Say now what your day would look like so that I'll
like,
tell you, can
like
you make
just
good
this, like I go, maybe I work edit a video, like for let's take Yugu's day. He's edited a video, he's gone to the gym, he's been at home, he's had lunch and dinner, and then he's watched TV, and he's had a few conversations with people, and then he's gone back to finish his work, and then now he's doing this.
That's pretty cool, bro.
You
like,
could
for-
document it and give it a story and make it look,
with like a voiceover.
yeah, make it look fun.
You can make it look fun, yes, but
Make
is it
look
fun by
as in,
itself?
like, make a nice story around your day and give it to people. Like, it could be real that this is what I did, and this. You could do things to make your day interesting, which is like not necessarily fake.
Right.
Like, if you add a workout to your day just to make better content, I wouldn't call it fake. You're still doing the workout, right? So, ulta, I think right now though is the best time to be putting real shit out there. Like, there's this guy, his reels come. He's this Indian dude working in Japan.
Okay.
Like, and he just goes to the office every day. So now his life in Japan, for us, it's very interesting, right? Because we don't know what to
Yeah.
expect.
Gaijin. I mean, he's an outsider living in. Like an Indian living in Japan, you just want to see what his day is like or like what he's
He'll
doing.
go to a restaurant, have dinner, like very normal life. He goes to the
Yeah.
office, small house. But it's interesting. And that is real, it's not fake. So कर सकता है, ऐसे नहीं है.
Yeah.
But I feel like on an average person doesn't have it in them, or maybe they won't know right away that they have it in them to be such a good storyteller that you could make mundane things.
Look interesting.
Look, yeah.
So that's why you do over the top, like you show like the best shit and you document
Only
everything.
that.
Like you'll go to a restaurant to
Yeah.
like
Order like some expensive steak or some shit like that.
I mean, so that is where it gets thoda murky. Otherwise, that Ankit who blew up,
Bayanpura.
who did 75 days hard,
Hmm.
uska kya tha? It was very
Yeah.
उसने भी तो
routine.
वही किया. He worked out, had
He just
good
showed his
food,
everyday life.
like read a book,
Yeah.
chilled, slept.
audiences ko ulta pasand hai, bro. They
Yeah.
like real shit.
They
So
want that
I think,
relatable.
I think that age of like thoda faking it is going because people are also getting smarter. They're seeing through
They
it.
can tell.
They can tell what's real and what's not real. So then it will reflect. Some of the like the OG influencers who would like who became big by like showing the life and whatever. Now they are mostly
Because they
struggling.
can't keep that going.
Yeah, there's nothing new.
There's nothing new. Like we've seen you do all of it, and also like there are people who are more like me, so I'll watch them and I'll relate to them. I don't relate to you, so like I don't know. Yeah. Or wo extra like to see that fancy life. Everyone ka you get to see anyway. Like there is much wealthier people, or like you look
Like,
at.
like Dan Bilzerian or something.
वो भी नहीं चल रहा है
अभी वो
भी
तो नहीं
नहीं
चल
होगा.
रहा.
But you will see the ones who actually have money, na? Like you'll see Drake ka story. He'll be doing some fancy shit, and you'll see that, and you'll be like, "Fuck!" Like Drake is doing this. You believe
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
he can do
Drake has that spending capacity, bro. Like,
just a known fact.
So then that becomes real. That's not fake. Drake being Drake is not fake. वो है भाई अभी है पैसे उसके पास.
You're right.
तो वही वो scene होता है ना like.
Yeah. I think initially like as a viewer you're looking at someone online who's only having a good time, everything, their relationship is great and whatever else. You look at it like from a lens of aspiration, where like you're like, oh, I wish my stuff could have been
Yeah.
like that, and
Yeah, it gets problematic when you look at that and you feel bad about yourself.
Yeah.
And you're like, why can't I have that? And like, I mean, okay, if you can use it as motivation, then cool.
Yeah.
Like, feel bad, then be motivated. But if you're just like depressed,
and they're trying to live through it.
yeah, bro, because
Vicariously.
we are thoda seeing the reality of it, na, behind the scenes. Like the couples that you see, you're like so cute, like they're fighting in front of us. At, like,
Yeah.
you go out in Bombay to some club, you'll see them like having a fight or whatever.
Yeah.
And a lot of people, quite frankly speaking, are garbage people, okay? Like, you look at them and you're like, fuck, this guy is so good, this girl is so this. They can be garbage people.
Yeah.
So don't fully, even us, bro, like,
Yeah.
even we can be fuck all people at times, I guess.
On our, bad days, I don't know.
I don't think we are, but like,
I
I'm
mean,
saying
anyone can-
don't even
yeah.
think that we are also damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? कि किसी को ऐसा
Don't put anyone on that pedestal ever. Yeah.
and like chill out, bro. Like है वो भी कर रहे
Yeah.
हैं,
वो
हम
भी
कर
human ही
रहे
है,
हैं.
अपन भी human ही है.
देख के scroll मारो, मजे करो.
Yeah.
Go ahead. And subscribe.
To our thing.
Cheers.
What else, bro? Like I think that's like
Yeah.
क्या बोलना है?
No, when people see like stuff like that, I feel like they get anxious क्योंकि नहीं they don't get disgusted. I'm not talking about the shit. I'm saying आजा इधर रोड़े.
Say finish your thought.
When you see those things that you don't have or like you'd like to have, you feel like you're on a clock. You're like अभी तक मेरे पास ये सब नहीं है. And I don't know when I'll get it, and makes you anxious, and maybe you're like just confused कि भाई मैं कर रहा हूँ कुछ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
It makes
Am I
you
on
feel
the
bad
right?
that you're not doing anything.
If you're actually not doing anything, then
you'll feel
then you'll feel
In
like
most
shit.
cases, it's like that, bro.
Yeah.
I don't
Then you
think on
better
an
feel
average people are like trying to get insanely wealthy. I think they just think about it. No one like really.
Puts in the
Very few people put in the effort. And most people think they're putting in the effort, but they're just like slogging at the job.
Yeah.
It's
And
like that.
honestly, bro, till now, though, from what I've seen, people who put in the effort, they get somewhere.
they get.
Like ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि you put in the effort and you don't get.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Effort is just like
Doing
working every
knowing
day,
what the
bro.
right
Like
things are and
knowing
doing
that
them
I'm working towards this one
consistently.
thing. Like if I need to get here, I need this much money. How do I make that much money? If you're doing a business, if you're doing some sort of a venture, then actually caring and giving it your all. If you don't have it and you hiring the right people, I don't know, bro. Just like getting up every day and making sure this becomes successful.
Yeah.
Or
Knowing what to do and then doing it right and doing that right
over and
consistently.
over again.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like that.
And these are like
That's
really
effort.
incredibly difficult things to do. So
हाँ.
तो
Yeah, like
लगता है
don't go
भाई
too hard on yourself,
जान लग जाती है.
I mean, it's incredibly difficult to become successful.
Yeah.
So
At anything.
100%.
वो तो करना पड़ता है, but we क्या ही बोल सकते.
India's #1 motivational podcast.
This is real motivation, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, कर दो भाई, कर दो. Hustle करो.
कर
काम
दो,
करो, काम
कर
करो.
दो.
Do your shit.
ठोको.
इसको.
I don't
ठोको
think-
like.
क्योंकि तुम लोग ये सब देखोगे, लोग मजे कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, तो तुम भी कर सकते हो, bro. It'll just take थोड़ा longer if you like get that. 30 is a good age to get rich. 35 is also a good. 40 is also a good age to get rich. If you can be rich for 20 years, na,
That's good.
that's good enough. If you can be more, great. But 20 years of being rich is solid, bro.
Yeah.
Like, where do you guys see yourself?
In 20 years.
Yeah, what kind of a life? Today I was thinking about it.
I
so-
don't know, man. To be honest,
20 years.
I was thinking about like how like your course of life changes so many times. Like, I don't know how to predict what comes next, and
But what do you want? I'm not saying.
what do I want is what I'm working towards right now. I I would like to be affluent. I would like to be.
But what does that look like?
What does it look
what
like?
does a
Okay,
house
okay,
look
I
like?
got it.
Paint you- paint us a
I got
picture,
I got
like-
a
Paint us a
house
picture.
that's away from everyone and everything, probably like beachside
Oh,
somewhere.
beautiful.
Beachside.
And like no one can find me, and then
In India, Pondicherry.
in India, not Pondicherry. I've not been to
Undisclosed
Pondicherry. I would like to go, but
Nice place.
Yeah, and I've probably bought my parents a very nice big house so that they can, be at peace, and my mom can put her feet up and relax.
She does that with me.
When I said put my feet up, I thought he'd say something. That's why I said she should relax after.
ना प्यार से बोल रहा था भाई वो कुछ तू ही
It's
loud.
okay, यार. चलेगा यार. जो
Come on, man.
my mom's got to. It's a.
Go on, go on.
It's a fair word. Yeah, and just want to be like working on music and doing other cool
Okay,
creative
music.
things, and yeah, come and shit talk here once in a while. And
But that's
That's-
20 years from now.
no, I don't know. I hope that happens tomorrow. But we.
You don't see your wife and kids or like.
I don't know. I don't know.
नहीं?
Those are things that look very nice, and there's a lot of work that needs to go
Yeah.
into both aspects. But yeah, I'm not against that. But it's not my I'm not it's not like how like a girl would be like, oh, by the time she's like 10, she knows her marriage and her 5 kids' names, and it's
say
not
You
like
don't
a lot.
want that girl.
no. I'm saying I'm not thinking of it like that. But I'd like to have it if possible.
I want to be at a place where I have nothing to do.
Hmm.
Like everything is done. I'm doing like random chores.
You're like
Fishing.
side quests.
Like something is broken in the house,
And you're
and
ठीक
I
कर
could
रहा है.
easily call someone to do it, but मेरे को दिन इसमें निकालना है.
Yeah.
Like you'll become like तू माली बनेगा घर का.
I'll get like
Bro.
6 beers.
Yeah.
I'll give you the best example of this that I've seen in that Beckham documentary. Dude, he's like cleaning up his grills and he's barbecuing और वो पूरा अच्छे से साफ कर रहे हैं. Like that's
मेरे को
He
ये सब ही
has-
करना है, bro.
all the money in the world.
हाँ.
और वो बैठ के मस्त बारबेक्यू बना रहा है. Like he's chilling, he's cleaning the kitchen. पूरा like that's
Like,
what
I
I'm
want to be
saying.
that uncle who has to find something to do
Yeah.
at all times.
Yeah,
Like ऐसा कुछ तो mini task.
good place to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mini task.
That's an everlasting life. You never run out of things.
Yeah.
You can just keep doing stuff.
Start solving puzzles.
Yeah, Sudoku.
Sudoku.
यही सब. भाई.
Yeah, that's a good one.
But the house and everything around it should be all
Yeah, nice.
nice, bro. Like those people who suddenly find a hobby and spend too much money on it.
Mm.
Like they'll get the best of everything. Like
Yeah.
suddenly he's playing too much, I don't know,
Golf.
or like suddenly you have a barbecue obsession where like, you get the best barbecue
Grill, yeah,
and
जो भी है.
The best steak.
everything.
The best
meat.
coal.
Mm.
I've ordered this from like fucking Madagascar, and it took 3 months to come. And then you have that conversation with people, tell everyone,
Yeah.
"Ki, this is I did this.
Yeah.
That.
You're like a wine connoisseur. Like you're
Yeah,
getting wine
yeah.
from everywhere, and like you're
I-
doing
I
wine
would
and
go-
cheese.
Yeah,
Party.
I would go karaokeing once a week if I could.
Or have it in your house.
No,
Karaoke
no.
machine.
Oh
you
yeah.
Call all your friends.
No, not at my house. I want to go outside for karaoke. There should be like this one joint that you go to, which
Like
is
a small bar.
like your place.
Which like you own. Like it's yours.
No,
No, no.
not like that. I don't
I
own
mean,
a
you own
restaurant
another
or
bar. But you go and give business
Like one
to this
adda
bar.
you should have, bro. Like where you meet your friends.
Like
I want a
your-
chicken coop also.
A who?
Chicken coop.
A coop. Okay.
Fresh eggs.
Yeah, can do that. Can have a farm maybe.
I don't know, but like garden.
Garden.
Garden like
Yeah, garden, and you maintain that garden.
fresh kothambir.
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 What? Kothambir. How do you say it?
I don't want to say it.
Kothambir.
Kothambir.
Kothim or Kothambir?
Kotham, no, it is.
नहीं Kothambir.
Coriander, guys.
Whatever. Yeah.
Coriander.
Mint
Yeah.
leaves.
Mint is.
That's
Mint is
Yeah.
different.
Yeah. What about you, bro? You want fresh kothambir
Yeah, I think like somewhat similar only.
like this? You want to
This
use
is
like
No,
same
no,
thing.
no, not the
no,
useless
like
shit
you
part.
said, na same.
No. Same to same answer.
You
मेरा
want to
भी.
live with me or
Same to same answer.
you want to live with me, baby?
No, bro, like somewhere probably in Barcelona.
What?
Settle down over there.
Why?
I want to settle down in Spain
Oh, you
for
want to
some
go to
reason.
Spain?
Yeah, I want to
Why?
settle
You
down.
don't
Ankara
love
Messi,
that
Ankara
I
Messi,
love-
Ankara Messi.
I love my country, but I want to have a house there where you can chill.
In Spain.
Yeah, you own a
Any-
house everywhere.
Yeah, like at least in 2-3 cities in different
Yeah.
countries.
Europe is the place for
And then you can go and chill there few months.
But what
chill
will
there
you
few
do
months.
during the day?
I'll make money. Like I'll
You
get
have
into
the money.
finance or something.
You have the
Fine.
So
money.
you
You want to go get a corporate job in
No,
Spain?
not a job.
is that what this?
Imagine me
looks like?
driving one small 2-seater and going to work.
I want to be poor in Spain.
I want to be a poor tourist.
I want to be couch surfing. No, none of that shit, bro. Like,
I want to end up in a crack den.
make new friends.
Okay, that is something, I guess.
Okay.
Like you want
Okay, moving on.
I want to have like,
wakes up in the morning, has whatever breakfast, and then
I wanna-
opens his portfolio
हाँ
and checks.
हाँ ठीक है आज इतना पैसा बनने वाला है.
itna I've invested.
And then I go out.
Sounds like a very
well,
soulless life. I no offense. Oh, I want to know like how much I've made and then go to sleep is not.
No, you're not going
Wow.
to sleep. Then you're going on with your day. You're going out.
Okay, you want to be a soulless piece of shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Live that rockstar life.
You?
Man, I have like 2-3 scenarios. Oh, bhai.
Light गिर
That's a
गया.
bad omen.
तू एक
should
ही
watch
scenario
the
रख
Omen.
भाई.
I'll just do one.
Only one scenario. ठीक है, continue. with
See,
your 2-3
okay, so
scenarios.
I want to, in my successful years, go to London and I want to follow Chelsea's entire season, like season after season.
You want to go for all 38 games?
all games
This is
I'll-
in your like prime years.
Prime years, matlab, when
Or you're talking like post 45, 50.
I
yeah,
don't think
after
the
I've
age
made
matters,
it.
right?
You'll move your full family to
No,
London?
fuck my family, dude. Family.
I hate
तुम
my
लोग
family.
अभी- Family is grown
Laude ka
up.
family.
Family is grown up. Family is independent,
Sorted.
and they're doing their thing also.
Nice.
Me and my football-loving wife, partner, जो भी है, we travel to all the games. Like we watch football everywhere.
That's
like
wholesome, man.
मस्त सब जगह जाके football ये वो
What
कर रहे
about
हैं.
the grandkids, bro? You'll miss
And what
them
about
growing
your
up.
kids?
I'll take my grandkids, bro. Of course, like
Yeah.
they'll
Teach
also
them.
be.
So you'll take them to London.
Yeah.
So they'll
You'll
have
move them.
education over there.
पढ़ाई के टाइम पे नहीं, bro. They'll
So
come visit, man. You're talking logistics in this whole thing.
It's a
Yeah,
bit
You want
selfish
to be
if
a
you ask.
crackhead in Spain. लाउडे में
I
सवाल
never
जवाब
said
किया है इसके
crackhead in
बारे
Spain. I said
में.
a-
तेरे को स्पेन जाके रिक्शा चलाने में कुछ बोला क्या?
crackhead is telling you how to live your life.
I'm in London, bitch.
Move your
Fuck
whole
off.
family to London.
I don't know, bro. What if Chelsea is like in the 3rd division? at that time?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
Yeah, actually, by
Pochettino is
then-
taking us to the Champions League next year.
You
And
can
anyway.
dream about that,
I
bro.
mean, it's something.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to be more connected with football क्योंकि I love it. That's the मेरे को बस वही करना है भाई. I'd like to be a manager also at some point. Like I'd like to be a coach
Yeah.
and like
We're
do
just
that.
playing make believe.
I thought we could say anything. Come on.
नहीं थोड़ा realistic.
Realistic. I
मैं
have
बोल
some
रहा हूँ
good
मेरे को-
instincts, bro. मेरा
मेरे
career
को
mode देखा
light
है
fix
क्या
करना है घर का. Chill करके.
You have तो
I want to become a
we have
manager.
different ambitions, I guess.
Manager, I mean, maybe
I
like
want to
a
replace Jose Mourinho.
kids football team ऐसा.
We're not. You're now
PE
you're making
teacher.
kids jokes.
नहीं नहीं, like I mean like
Which is also
हाँ,
cool.
okay.
नहीं
It's a cool
मतलब
job.
तुम अभी तेरे बच्चे लंदन में है सब, so you can manage their football club.
Yeah, I can start there at
Ah,
least. Like
start
that's a
there.
start. Yeah.
And
And
get relegated. Those
Laudu.
kids are crying.
Bro, you
Yugo's walking around with
listen.
one whistle
You
on
was
his
playing
neck.
a high line with like 5-year-olds. They can't track back. Track back करने में
There's no
लौड़े लग
offside
रहे
rule in
सबके.
these games.
everyone's on side.
He's playing inverted wing backs. Wing back की
I
कहाँ
will
लग गई है
play
भाई?
inverted wing backs, bro. You got to, if you want to play my system, भाई कुत्ते जैसा भागना पड़ेगा तुमको, fall back भी करना पड़ेगा, and you have to make the runs also. You have to do everything. Make the right decision. I want to find the next De Bruyne. Yeah,
Next.
yeah. I want to be a scout
After
also.
40 years.
Scout.
Like I want to scout. Oh fuck.
What else do you want to do?
Scout the next talent.
What else do you want to do?
Can we end this? Because I can keep going.
No, bro. It's like you've got Big
I
dreams.
believe in you.
Yeah,
and I,
I
think
do
you
have
can
big
do
dreams.
whatever you
Yeah.
feel like.
Yeah, bro.
We go back to the. If you put your heart and soul into it,
Yeah, bro. You know how we all met, right? Football.
yeah.
See, football नहीं होता तो ये सब कुछ नहीं होता भाई.
फुटबॉल नहीं होता तो
हम यहाँ पर
Untriggered
नहीं होते.
podcast would not exist.
नहीं होता. We
Exactly.
wouldn't have met.
Facts.
So someday we manage a club.
Yeah. Maybe then you can find the next Untriggered.
You can scout those 4 kids.
Yeah, we like बकचोदी कौन कर रहे हैं?
कौन खड़ा है उधर पीछे?
इनका podcast करते हैं. Yeah.
Yeah, if anyone's doing a podcast, reach out to me. I'll assess your bakchodi.
It's like a K-pop factory. The
Of
next
podcasts.
podcasters.
Yeah,
Podcast bros.
yeah.
The hunt for the next podcast bro.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Chalo, I
Good,
think
man.
we should
It's like,
Let's
let's
wrap.
go work on our dreams.
Yeah, chalo.
becoming managers.
Shout out to everyone who
Shout out
watched.
to
बहुत time के बाद boys
Yeah.
episode हुआ है. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you've subscribed, good. Go to sleep. Take care. Go
Shabba khair,
get
Shubh
your
Ratri.
cervical vaccine checkup. Do it.
Cervical vaccine checkup नहीं
See, this
खाई.
is much less effective than Poonam.
ठीक है bro, we
Like,
tried.
no one is convinced.
We
एक
tried.
काम कर, कल तेरा स्टोरी डाल देंगे भाई.
Good night.
Bye.
Nighty night.